So my amendment is in the DNR subcommittee budget. My amendment would allow funding to continue for the cleanup of the Great Lakes by investing $37.5 million in the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative. This amount is only 1/8 of the total initiative, Michigan's portion of the $300 million divided between 8 states in our region. And we know that the future of the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative is in serious jeopardy. This program supports efforts to protect the health of our Great Lakes by investing in projects to restore habitats and wetlands, clean up toxic pollution, combat invasive species, and prevent dangerous runoff from entering our Great Lakes. This program has a history of proven results, strong bipartisan support, and should continue to be a priority. So federal cuts coming out of Washington are simply irresponsible, and Michigan cannot sit around and wait for the Great Lakes to be destroyed. If the federal government won't protect our Great Lakes, then who will? And I'm hoping today that we will do that as our state for now, for today, and for future generations to come. And Mr. Speaker, I want to exercise my constitutional right and request a record roll call vote.
The chair has decided there is not support.
Whoa!
The question before the House. What's your point of order, Representative? The chair has ruled there is not support. The question before the House is adopted by the amendment of the roll on the board. The amendment is not adopted.
Unconstitutional.
Representative, the ruling of the chair where there is not support, because the motion that was made is a renewable motion, it cannot be challenged. My decision on the ruling cannot be challenged. What is your point of order? I have ruled there was not support. Are there further amendments? There are amendments that
Representative Stanley 10 offers Amendment 5 is Amendment 1M.
The question before the House is on adoption of the amendment. The clerk will open the board. The amendment is not adopted.